Hey coffee lovers, Jay here from JB Hi-Fi. And if you're wanting to level up your coffee game at home, then this one is for you. With the brand new Delonghi Rivelia automatic compact bean-to-cup coffee machine, you can now craft your perfect brew easily. Now, let's check it out. If you're someone who appreciates a good cuppa, then the Rivelia is about to take your brew to new heights. With the Rivelia's innovative bean switch system, you get a wide variety of coffee bean options, including not one, but two interchangeable bean hoppers. You have the freedom to explore different coffee profiles and truly tailor your brew to suit your taste buds. And with the handy switch mode, transitioning between beans is a breeze, ensuring your grinder is primed and ready for whenever you need a pick-me-up. The Rivelia goes above and beyond with its Bean Adapt technology, which effortlessly adjusts the grind level, coffee dose, and infusion temperature based on your chosen beans. No more stale pre-ground coffee. With the Rivelia, each cup is brewed to perfection, using freshly ground beans, guaranteeing a premium experience every single time. And let's not forget about the foam, because what's a great cup of coffee without that perfect velvety foam on top? With LatteCrema Hot Technology, you can indulge in luxurious milk foam with just the touch of a button. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe milk carafe, making your post-coffee cleanup hassle-free. Now, let's talk about the display, because it's not just any other display. The Rivelia features a stunning 3.5-inch full touch color swipe screen that includes a rich animations to keep you entertained while your coffee is brewing. With 16 one-touch recipes to choose from and the ability to create up to 4 user profiles, the Rivelia learns your preferences and crafts a personalized coffee experience just for you. And can we take a moment to appreciate the design? Sleek, compact, and oh so stylish. In black, white, or gray, the Rivelia is a statement piece for your kitchen. So, if you're ready to switch the way you coffee, check out our Delonghi Rivelia automatic compact bean-to-cup coffee machine. You can swing by your nearest JB Hi-Fi store and chat with one of our coffee connoisseurs, or if you prefer the convenience of online shopping, head over to jbhifi.co.nz. Cheers to a great coffee.